So I know it's not just me, but I just feel like there's just too many AI tools out there. You got AI chats, right? Then you have coding IDEs that have AI built into them. And then you have fully managed AI services that can build apps for you and host apps for you, and they just do everything for you. And so it's hard, even as a software developer, to even know what tool should I be using on a job for existing tech, what should I be using for my side projects and for new things that I'm building from the ground up. So I did a little research. So what I've seen is the suggested thing is to, if you're building something from scratch, that to build an MVP or build a POC or build something that you're able to show to investors, or you're able to just show to people to validate your idea, you want to use fully managed tools like Lovable or Replit or whatever it's called, or these other tools that build the whole thing for you very quickly. But these things have limitations on the tech stack. They have limitations on some of the things that they can do, some of the database side. When the system gets more complex and you get more users on it, then you may decide to transport that app out of Lovable, out of Replit, into a actual coding project, and then continue to code on it with a coding IDE like Cursor or a CLI like Claude Code. And so that's typically what I'm seeing for new projects. You want to start off with Lovable, something like that, to build your idea and just get it out and see if it's a good idea. You might even deploy it and see if it gets traction. And then once you start to get traction on it, you want to make it more serious. You want to do some things, the limitation that there are in some of these platforms that do everything for you. Then you want to export it to a real project, put it on source control, and have real developers or yourself start working on it using Claude Code, Cursor, Codex, whatever the case is. For things in a professional environment where the code already exists, then in that case, you can't use something like Lovable unless you're just building a separate project at work. For existing code, you need to probably just use Cursor, whatever your company's allowing you to use, Cursor, Claude Code, one of these IDEs or CLIs, to code, fix bugs, add features, add new components to the project. So that's a lot more simple use case. But for the most part, for new things, if you're building a startup or you're somebody that doesn't know how to code much, the suggested route is to start with Lovable, Replit, any of these services that can build everything for you. You just chat with them and it builds the app or the website for you. And then as it evolves and becomes more complex, then you can move on to some of these different coding tools. So I hope that helps. It helped me doing a little bit of research on it, because yeah, it's just overwhelming to know what should I be starting to build my app with or build my website with. So let me know what y'all think. What are y'all thoughts on it if you have any experience with this?